Hi, good morning guys. Today I'm going to show you 12 best projects for beginners, or you can put it to the resume itself. So here we have the Tudo application. So background is gradient. First we talk about the designs first. So first is the design backgrounds. This type of design backgrounds are there. Next, if we add a task like do kitchen work, it will add directly. If I don't want it, click on it and deleting it directly. That's it. Coding and hacking. Hack. So if I completed all this, so if I go to pending things, nothing there. If I completed task of open, it will show all. This is a simple type of project that anybody can do now. So this is a simple technique to learn about JavaScript type of things. Next, BMI calculator. Yeah, or you can call BMI as body mass index. So I actually made this since when I am in now I am in 7th grade. I made it in 7th grade only, but in the April 22nd I made this 2022. I made this because there were summer holidays. Yeah, so first put in kg. So let's say I'm 50 kgs man. Centimeters, feet to centimeter, ft to centimeter. If I type it 1 foot, no, I am 1.57 47 centimeter. I'm like a short man actually. I'm not that idiot type of thing, but I'm not in foot type. I am in not 1.57, I think 2, so making it 60.96. So actually, so we are going to copy this thing. So in our BMI calculator, we will put this. So as you can see, your BMI is 134.5, which means you are obese. Obesity, this is. So you can see this is the BMI chart. So inside you can see this all of the things. So you can do anything you want with this BMI calculator. So if you are an insurance agent, want to help him for BMI checking, so you can send it to him and he can send it to the user who is near to check up the BMI. So this is the third, clock in JavaScript. So you can see this is moving directly without any. If you know the pattern of the clock, you can easily know which time it is. Yep. Next one, calculator. This is my favorite thing, I'll say, because if I want to change the size of it, it will change the size of it automatically. If you understand it, I will show you now. See, if I shrink it a little bit, it will shrink also. So this is the technique with this. This is the shrinking type of account. So this is the tablet size, this is the phone size. So best of all, you can actually do this. 190, there you go. This is how you can do. So this is known as weather application using the open, you guessed it, open weather API. Yeah, how did I use this? I will show you actually. Open weather map, using this I use this type of things. So today is 8:59 a.m. in Asia, Kolkata, and this is Sunday today. Yep, Sunday. 70% humidity. That's right. Versus 1080. This is 1.82. 6:41 a.m. 17:50 p.m. Okay, this is good. Next is called Kinetic Loader. If you are going to a website and see this kinetic type of maker, you will realize that I also want to make that one. So these are like of things. So if you want to check this type of things, you can also see. So next one, this is an animated countdown actually. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This type of things. No, don't go to the video. We have another so many applications. I didn't open because there was no space enough for me to do this. So another one. This is called as password generator. It is known to be used for password generating purposes. Excuse me. So you can include uppercase letters, lowercase letter. I don't want uppercase letters. I don't want symbols. I want only numbers with the length is actually 8. If I click on generate password, it shows directly. If you want only numbers, it will copy to the clipboard. If you click on here, 44000960. This is the type of password generation that is really secure. I will put this all the things I'm showing to you. I'm going to put in the description so you can make like this type of things. Next is the thing called drawing application for kids. This is actually, yep, this is for kids only. But actually we need to shrink the size of it. Okay, I am going to open it in the new tab so you can understand what is it that, because it is so much big that you can't show in there. So first, drawing. I'm using a mouse, so I have some problem. Next, this is the clear button. You can clear it. If you want a picking tool, color pick eyedropper, it will download that extension and give it for you. Next, this is from Google Color Picker. This is for Google picking colors inverted. You can, so this is, I'm going to give you a challenge for this drawing app. You have to make the size of this 1920 by 1080, and this navigation bar needs to be going in the drawing section without any background. So this needs to be 1920 by 1080. You understand? I think 1080. So this is the challenge for you. Whoever is completed, again, I am giving the email into the description below. You can do that also. Next, this is called as a quiz thing. Yeah, quiz application. Which language runs in a web browser? Of course, we know JavaScript, radio button. So CSS stands for cascading style sheet. It will not show the correct or wrong. It will show after that. So what does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. What year was JavaScript launched? 1994, I think. I don't understand. See this. Simple. Next is the login form. This is what I like this. This is the 11th one. So I like this type of thing. So you see that background color is good, all the good things. So if I click on this, it will expand. If I click here, it will decrease, increase, coding, and it will do. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 1 you can see here, this is the login bar. That's like the thing. Next is actually this one. This is actually the thing I used to know for this. This is actually called an animated login form. Okay, you can also create these type of things also for good. So you can click on forgot password, sign up, login. That is the type of things. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will see you in my next video.